Here's some Viking Voyages Trivia. Subscribe. What type of ship did Vikings commonly use? Is it A, battleship, B, longship, C, cargo ship, or fishing boat? The correct answer is B, longship. Who was the first known Viking to reach North America? Is it A, Bjorn Ironside, B, Leif Erikson, C, Eric the Red, or D, Ragnar Lothbrok? The correct answer is B, Leif Erikson. What city was established by Vikings near modern-day Dublin? Is it A, Waterford, B, Limerick, C, Galway, or D, Dublin? The correct answer is D, Dublin. What was the main navigational tool used by Vikings? Is it A, astrolabe, B, magnetic compass, C, sun compasses, or D, GPS? The correct answer is C, sun compasses. Which legendary figure is associated with the founding of a Viking settlement in England? Is it A, Eric the Red, B, King Alfred, C, Ragnar Lothbrok, or D, Leif Erikson? The correct answer is C, Ragnar Lothbrok. Where did the Vikings establish a settlement called Lance on Meadows? Is it A, Iceland, B, Greenland, C, Norway, or D, Canada? The correct answer is D, Canada. What is the modern English term for Viking beliefs about the afterlife? Is it A, Nordic heaven, B, Hell's Gate, C, Asgardian realm, or D, Valhalla? The correct answer is D, Valhalla. Which explorer is famous for venturing to present-day Greenland? Is it A, Eric the Red, B, Christopher Columbus, C, Marco Polo, or D, Leif Erikson? The correct answer is A, Eric the Red. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.